Hello YouTube, today I will be showing you my first PC build of 2017. I will discuss the hardware and run a couple benchmarks. So without further ado, let's get started. This PC is rocking an Intel Core i7-3820 Sandy Bridge E CPU and an XFX R9390 GPU and 12 gigabytes of DDR3 memory. For storage, I have a Plexer MP5 256 gigabyte SSD for boot and a 1 terabyte hard drive and two 500 gigabyte hard drives in RAID for storage. Also, the motherboard is a DX79SR motherboard. It has the LGA 2011 socket. The case is a Cooler Master half XM mid tower case. This side panel is pretty handy and is easier to use than the screws, in my opinion. What I love about this case is it has two front hard drive bays, so you can swap drives and get data transferred faster than messing with cables. Another thing I love about this case is it has a place for a 240mm radiator at the top, as my previous build did not have one. Hence, okay, on the front of the case, we have a fan on and off switch, the power button, and a hard reset button. I'm gonna demonstrate how this fan button works. So when you press it, it controls the front, the front fan on and off, or a desired fan that you plug into the controller, and it's pretty neat. Okay, next I'm gonna do a Cinebench CPU test. So here we go. Okay, as you can see, we got a score of 724 on here. And this CPU is overclocked to 4.2 gigahertz. It's normally a locked CPU, but well, it can be overclocked up to 4.4 gigahertz, but it's basically factory locked. You can't go over that. And it does get pretty hot that way, so this is technically a locked CPU. Okay, I ran a benchmark on GTA 5 for you guys, and looks like we got a maximum frame rate of 271 frames per second and an average of 124 frames per second and a minimum of 43. Well, here's the thing. I think that these are inaccurate because when I seen the benchmark running, normally it was around 70 to 80 frames per second average. So just take my word on that, because technically I think these are wrong. But I did have a benchmark of GTA 5 on this system. Probably a few videos. It's been a while. Been a few videos back towards this beginning of this year, like around January, like around New Year. So if you want to check them videos out, you can. As well, I got a Battlefield 1 benchmark along with a Battlefield 1 benchmark on the system. So if you want to see how this run, check out my the videos. I'll probably link them below. I did not talk about every single part in the system, but I'll leave a PC part list below so you guys can check that out. Anyways, I think this wraps up for this video. So if you enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.